everybody, I'm Melinda Elmer with Century 21 Masters and the Elmer team. And today talking about buying a home with someone who you're not married to. Now, whether this is a partner, a friend, or a family member, buying a property can be incredibly exciting. But without the right planning, it can also get complicated if things don't go as expected. So that's why being proactive is really key, not just to protect your investment, but also to protect your relationship too. How you title the property matters. So when you buy a property together, the title, how you legally own the property, really matters. Joint tenants means that the property automatically transfers to the other person if one of you passes away. Now, tenants in common means that each person can pass on their share to someone else, like a family member or another heir. So make sure that your title reflects your true intentions from the get-go. The other thing you want to do is talk about money. Now, this is big, of course. Who is paying for what? The down payment, monthly mortgage, property taxes, maintenance. Be clear and realistic about how everything is going to be split. If one person contributes more, make sure that that's documented and agreed upon in writing. Another important point is to have an exit plan. We hope for the best, but we want to plan for the what if. What happens if one person wants out? Will you sell the home, refinance, or offer to buy each other out? Set timelines for decision-making to avoid drawn-out disputes, which can get super expensive. Having a clear exit strategy helps avoid emotional and financial stress down the road. Get everything in writing. A co-ownership agreement or cohabitation agreement lays out all the rights, roles, and responsibilities in writing. It's smart to involve a real estate attorney who can help ensure both parties are protected. At the end of the day, love, friendship, or partnership is important, but when it comes to real estate, clarity is kindness. Have these conversations early and put agreements in place. It protects your investment and your relationship. So before you sign that offer, ask yourselves, not just can we buy this together, but how will we handle it if things change? If you have any questions, give me a call at 562-316-2915, or you can reach me at melinda@theelmerteam.com. Thanks so much for watching, and please feel free to forward and share this with your friends.